So I'm gonna go with Fooding Corporation, which is a restaurant review and food delivery company. So, uh, by understanding the problem statement, we need to identify what the company is lacking on, and to identify that, thorough market research should be done, where the company lacks and what are the opinions of customers uh, of the company in the market. So to find the problems that the company is lacking on, so we get an idea of how the customers are attained by the corporation. Generally, customers are attained by the process of giving huge discounts in the starting, and thereby making them to use the app often to deliver food through the fooding. So this leads to a loss for the company side, offering discounts on every day, and scaling up will only leads to a failure at the end. So we need to come up with new approach to get customers by connecting people's needs and emotions. The questions we ask ourselves will be like how to serve the customer better. So the areas to improve, like customer support is generally being done by chat assistants. So this leads to less customer satisfaction because people wait a long time for getting issue solved through chat. So it's better to have a uh, voice assistant, and also getting socially engaged with the users, like understanding their likes and suggesting such restaurants the people generally prefer to go. So based on the questions we have asked ourselves, like how the company can be improved, I got a list of ideas, or takeaways the company can try, because only through experimentation it can be better in the market. So I think putting up stalls of particular restaurants through the fooding corporation near metros for takeaways will be a better idea for the people on the run, and also getting more restaurants to tie up by cutting the commission fee of 20 to 30% by 5%, and engaging new methods of partnership with them, like along with the popularizing of fooding, even the restaurant should get benefited uh, by popularizing the name of the restaurant. And also the UI of the app must be made user friendly, such that when a person searches for a food item, he should be uh, listed out with all the restaurants that serve the food item, along with other items which he has ordered previously. So restaurants can inculcate CV and NLP techniques in the research for better suggestions of restaurants, and also articles from the fooding feed related to that dish which the restaurant's customer searched for. And also giving personalized recommendations to the users will also help, because the user is always in a mindset of trying something out, something new. The three main differentiate capabilities will be like, first is, after corona situation, it's better when fooding collaborates with street vendors and other restaurants to take up measures of maintenance of hygiene, and thereby uh, giving a customers a safety and providing them the food safely. And also the next point will be organizing food experience events and food events and walks for the people who want to try new food items or famous dishes in the city. And also putting up stalls near metros for takeaways will be a better idea.